In this video, we're going to cover how to set predefined stop losses and take profits on every single trade. This is especially helpful if you are trading with the one-click trading button and want to quickly get in and out of trades. The first thing you'll do is you'll pull up your watch list, and then if you go over any single product or symbol, you can right-click, which will bring up a drop-down window that will have the option to select pre-config stop loss and take profit. Once that is up, you're able to go and set predetermined stop losses and take profits, which will allow you to do it via pips. So if I want to set every single trade that I place with a 15 pip stop loss, I'm able to do that. And then if I go, let's go back to the CAD. And then now if I go and I place a trade on the USD CAD, you'll see that it automatically included my stop loss on that trade. One thing to note is you can also see where your stop loss is placed on the chart if you click on the stop loss button right here. And so anytime you have a stop loss or take profit, you'll see this button and you can click on it, which will then show you the line with where your stop loss is placed relative to the current market. Just a helpful tip along the way.